Hello and welcome to another ROFFS update of the ocean conditions using satellite sea surface temperature and chlorophyll imagery from the weekend of November 20th, 2023. Overall, we continue to observe temperatures cool with the Gulf Stream now at approximately 82 off of Florida, extending north to roughly 80 degrees off of North Carolina. Looking at the sea surface temperature first. As per usual, through the Florida Straits, it can be relatively difficult to sparse out conditions, but zooming in here, it does look like I can see at least a little bit of cooler water here, indicating some rotation off of the Keys there. To the north, extending through the Straits again, relatively difficult to see, but the chlorophyll data usually can help us suss that out. It does appear that there is a rotation here off of the Cape Canaveral area, along with here. A number of smaller eddies here off of the Jacksonville to Matanzas area. It looks like there is a little eddy here off of the Savannah to Charleston area, and then a relatively large eddy here extending all the way from Cape Lookout down to just north of Georgetown. And then contributing to that is also this relatively large eddy here off the eastern side of the Gulf Stream that's pulling water that way. And then looking north, there appears to be a number of smaller eddies off of the Norfolk to Hatteras area as well. Looking at the corresponding chlorophyll data, we can see here again some rotations here, certainly off of the Keys, some smaller rotations here off of the South Florida area that are going to push through the area relatively quickly. As always, we do say please call for the most recent analysis. This is just kind of a brief overview of the area. A couple days old, and with the Gulf Stream moving 2 to 4 miles an hour, even a day can basically be 40, between 40 and 60 miles. Things are going to move. So looking north again, a little bit of a cloud band here, but it looks like a rotation here. A couple of them off of the Cape Canaveral to Sebastian area. A relatively large rotation here off the St. Augustine area. A decent amount of this cooler blended water is still inshore off of the Georgetown to Savannah area, with the Gulf Stream circulating offshore. And a rotation here. This very large feature here off of the Cape Lookout to Georgetown area. And then again, it appears a nice little eddy here pushing some water inshore just north of Cape Lookout, and then a relatively stable Gulf Stream edge extending north off of Cape Hatteras. With that, as always, for your most recent analysis for your area, please give us a call at 321-723-5759, and have a happy Thanksgiving. Thank you very much. Tight lines.